get cleaned out, but due to its location near Nature Walk Golf Course, she says it's been difficult.
We need permission from Nature Walk Golf Course to get the equipment on their property.
Schutt says they haven't been able to get that permission, but Nature Walk Club manager Cy Klimo says he wants to work it out with the residents and organize a sit-down conversation to do so. In the meantime, residents just want to get it fixed.
We need to get this resolved before we lose someone's life.
In Lynn Haven, Erica Orstad, News 13, Panhandle Strong.